Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix self-protection failed error code 4. For you to fix it, go to your Windows icon, type in Defender, and you see this where it says Windows Defender file. Click on this. After this opens, go where it says Inbound Rules, and when you're here, click on New Rule. After you see this, select Program, and here is where you select the program that's having this error. I'll give this as an example, Photoshop, and you click on Open, the executable file. Then click on Next, and you need to select this Block Connection. Click on Next, and here make sure this is all ticked, and click Next. Right here, you can give it a name for easy identification, so I can just say Photoshop. And after you do that, you click on Finish. Once you do that, if you're still having the error, try to disable your antivirus. Try to go to your antivirus settings and disable it, and try to run it then. You're done.